When can the police search you? One of the freedoms that we enjoy as Americans is to be free from unreasonable searches by the police. However, the police do not always need a warrant to conduct a search. Here's a review on when police may search you. Search under a warrant. A search warrant is generally an order signed by a judge that allows the police to search for a specific thing if there is probable cause that a crime has been committed. Search warrants are very specific and typically limited to searches of specific areas for a specific object at a specific time. To obtain a search warrant, the police will need to prove to the judge that there is probable cause. Searches under a warrant are limited to the terms of the warrant. For example, the police usually may not search you for illegal drugs if the warrant specifies that they are looking for stolen televisions. Warrantless searches. In some cases, the police will not need a warrant to search you. In fact, in most cases, police do not have to have a warrant when they conduct a search. Situations where a warrant may not be necessary include consent. The person being searched may give consent to the search. For example, the police may ask you, "Can we search you or your premises?" If you say yes, you're giving consent. However, consent given on your own free will is oftentimes challenged. Plain view. If the police officer has a right to be at a specific place, the officer will not need a warrant to search and seize contraband in plain view. For example, if the police can spot illegal drugs through an open window, the police may not need a warrant. Similarly, if the police have a valid warrant for one reason and spot another illegal activity, they may not need a warrant. Arrest. The police usually do not need a warrant to make a search that is incident to an arrest. For example, the arresting officer may have the right to search you for a weapon, and anything that is turned up in that search may be admissible. Emergencies. Under the emergency doctrine, the police may be able to conduct a warrantless search if it means protecting the public safety. This type of search is oftentimes abused by police.